My name is Nicole Keen. I'm the Operations Manager at Vasey RSL Care in the Property and Procurement team. At Vasey RSL Care, we're a not-for-profit organisation that provides home care, residential services and veteran support to the ex-service community and broader community across Melbourne Metro and the regional areas of Victoria. Before we were using FMClarity, the solution that we had was a standalone system. It didn't integrate with other software platforms that we were using across our organisation. There was a lot of manual processes that required a staff resource, invoice processing, work verification, PPM scheduling and reporting. We were looking for a system that integrated with other software systems that our organisation used to streamline processes around workflow management, invoice approval, job verification, and we wanted something that was user-friendly so both staff and contractors would be able to adapt to the system. FMClarity addresses everything that we were looking for. It has an asset management system which integrates with the property portfolio sections, the PPM scheduling section. It also is a very super user-friendly design. It's visually appealing. That was a big win for me because I know in facilities that lots of different types of staff access the system, from raising work order requests to staff triaging the jobs to contractors viewing the jobs. So that was very important for us, that it was a user-friendly platform. I also really loved the work order request module within the platform. There's the communication channels within the work order requests, really centralises the process and improves the communication between all stakeholders. It's also a single source of truth for us, removing the need for emailing work orders and for job updates. Everybody has access to that data and in real time. So that was really important for us. FMClarity also has a really great analytics module, which we have found incredibly useful. We have data insights to our property trends, costs, work volume, distribution across sites, even work order distribution across suppliers and service fields that we've never had access to before. That's allowed us to review areas for cost saving, for budgeting, for staff resource allocation. That has just been invaluable and something that we weren't looking for in the first place. So that's been a real bonus. FMClarity is so visually appealing on PC and on app and tablet. The way that I see it is I could train anybody to use this system. I honestly also loved the single source of truth. I haven't seen such an intuitive system that removed the need for you to also use Outlook emails as well as a platform. You could not only issue work orders from within the system, but communicate to suppliers and staff raising requests within the same platform. And anybody can access that data from a workflow point of view. If staff are on leave or if different people are at different points of the job, you can just log into the system and see exactly where the job is up to at any stage. It also increases responsiveness from contractors. You have an app on your phone that pushes notifications directly to the contractor. It removes the need for contractors to check emails in addition to messages and whatever other systems that they're using. Efficiency has definitely increased. Work order responsiveness has improved. KPIs are being met because you can see where job progress is up to. The visual appealingness of the software as well, the platform, is it uses traffic light systems. So you can easily identify if a job is still in new status or issued status, and then if it's overdue or waiting a response. There's video tutorials that you can just access so simply. The training and the staff resource it requires to train new members in the platform is also so efficient. What I love about the inbox module is the transparency and the knowledge sharing from the team. You can see updates to the job, whether a quote is required, whether a document has been uploaded, and when an invoice has been uploaded that needs verification. I think it's just been a great enhancement to the system since we've brought on FMClarity. Our insights to work order volume across our property portfolios, and then being able to use that data in ways that we had never been able to before. We've been able to look at staff resource distribution where our service types require more attention. We've been able to develop more proactive maintenance plans as a result of these insights. It's been really great. Working with the FMClarity team has been wonderful. I have enjoyed working with everybody from the FMClarity team. Everybody is so supportive. They are so responsive, approachable. Any ideas that we have brought to the team have been taken into consideration for future improvements to the system. FMClarity is always so forward-thinking as well in developing their platform and their solution for facilities management. It's just great to know that the system is going to continue to grow and that we're going to be able to continue to grow with the platform. The FMClarity customer support team has also been wonderful to deal with. We have regular meetings and are always in contact. Anytime support requests are raised to the FMClarity team, they are dealt with so efficiently. They are always so positive and happy to help. It's really, really valuable. I would recommend FMClarity to other facility managers in the industry. FMClarity is a solution for facility management. It covers asset management, data analytics and reporting. It's a single source of truth for contractor engagement, real life insights. It has a dashboard facility also, which is visually easy to see your work order management, where jobs are up to, what is due in each month. It's just really useful, insightful data and really easy to use. I think that it's one of the best software platforms in the industry.